Hey there and welcome back. On this video, we're doing some Baja style street tacos. So let's get going. So to explain what a hanger steak is, I actually had to go to the internet to figure that part out. But basically, the hanger steak is part of the diaphragm of the cow or the steer. The diaphragm is made up of two cuts of meat, or you get two cuts out of the diaphragm, which is the hanger steak and also the skirt steak. It's usually like the belly area, right where the ribs end. So it's a very tender cut of meat. It's similar to skirt steak as far as tenderness and moisture. It was also called the butcher's cut because the butcher would always save that cut for them and take it home to their families. The cut wasn't very popular back then, so they thought it was sort of like like a poor man's cut, so nobody wanted it. But it definitely was my first time cooking hanger steak, and after seeing it, I thought this was going to be incredible. So what I did here is I already got this marinated to save some time, and basically what's in here is orange juice, lime juice, cilantro, cumin. We got some garlic. We got a little bit of cayenne with some salt and pepper. That's it. It's basically an authentic style Baja Carne Asada marinade. And this has been marinated for about 3 hours. You can do anywhere from an hour up to 8 hours. You can try overnight, but with all that acidity in there, I think it would sort of mess with the tenderness of the meat, and make it kind of stringy or mushy, I guess is what you want to call it. But this has been marinated for about 3 hours. Let's go ahead and get this out. Just want to show you what the hanger steak kind of looks like. So there we have it. It's sort of a V-shaped muscle, comes in these strips. And what we're gonna do is I got the Weber heated up with the slow and sear. I got a little mesquite in there. We're gonna go ahead and do sort of a reverse sear on those. Get them off indirect first, get them up to maybe around 120, 125. We'll give them a nice sear at that point. So let's get these on. All right, we got our Weber nice and hot. We're gonna go hot and fast with these. So I'm gonna get these off to the side. Give this about, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 minutes. We'll check the temp on these, and then we'll get them right over on that heat. So there we have it. Nice and easy, a simple marinade, a few hours, grilled very quickly on the Weber. I think my Weber was sitting at 400 degrees. Did a little indirect, maybe 10 minutes. It started to get to about 120, 125. Quickly just move it over to the direct heat, got some good char on it. I did let it rest for a little bit. Also got some nice corn tortillas on this side that we just grilled up using that heat over there on the grill. Let's go ahead and slice these nice and thin. And these things are tender. I don't think it matters which way I'm going to slice them. So that's what we got. Nice medium on that. Let's try it without any, just nice and plain. That's good. You can eat it just like that. That's incredible. Let's make up some tacos. I'm going to show you how I make my street tacos. These are how I get them when I go down to Mexico, to Tijuana. When you have some good Mexican restaurants around here that do authentic street tacos, this is how they really do it, just nice and simple. We got 2 corn tortillas, nice and grilled up. Usually they're steamed. I like to hit it with a little bit of fresh homemade guac. Give some of our steak on there, not too much, but just enough. A little bit of red onion, a little bit of cilantro. We got a squeeze of lime. What I got here is some, this is some real authentic hot sauce. My oldest works at a Mexican restaurant, believe it or not. Brought some of this home just today. So we're gonna top it with some of this nice spicy salsa. And that's it. Nice and simple. That's a taco. This is how we like it. All we need is some good Mexican beers, some Modelo, some Dos Equis. This is killer. Let's bite into this. That's a party right there. Nice and fresh. That beef, it's marinated just right. Got some good char on it. Guacamole's nice and fresh. Got some crunch from the onions. That hot sauce got a little kick to it. This thing is killer. Remember, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Give this a try. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in the next round. I'm gonna pig out here.